Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Multi-Recipes and Cookeries. Today, we have something incredibly special for you, a massive feast. We're going to show you how 3 village men cook up an amazing 500 chicken legs with ginger curry. Yes, you heard it right, 500 chicken legs. So, let's dive into the kitchen and see how it's done. Before we get started, please subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Let's take a closer look at the mountain of ingredients we've got here. It's like a chicken party. Just look at this incredible spread we have: 500 chicken legs, fresh ginger, garlic, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and a variety of aromatic spices like garam masala, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and, of course, salt. Don't forget the cooking oil and fresh coriander leaves for that final touch of freshness. Preparation. Now, the first step is to marinate the chicken legs. We'll be creating a flavor-packed marinade using ginger, garlic, green chilies, turmeric powder, and salt. It's the secret to making these chicken legs irresistibly delicious. Show marination process. First, we're going to crush the ginger, garlic, and green chilies to release all those fantastic flavors. Now, look at that vibrant paste we've got. We'll generously apply this marinade to the chicken legs, making sure every piece is coated. This step not only infuses incredible flavors but also helps tenderize the meat. We'll let this marinate for at least 30 minutes to allow those flavors to penetrate deep into the chicken. Cooking process. Once our chicken legs are marinated to perfection, it's time to move on to the cooking process. We've got a giant pot here, perfect for our massive feast. Show cooking steps. We're starting by heating up some oil in our pot. The fragrance is already amazing. Now, we're adding our diced tomatoes. Look at those vibrant colors. This is where the magic begins. And now, the star of the show, our marinated chicken legs. We'll cook these until they're beautifully browned. It's time to add our blend of spices: garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chili powder, and, of course, a pinch of salt. This is where the flavors come alive. Simmering and final touch. The secret to a good curry is letting it simmer and absorb all those amazing flavors. So, we'll cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. Show simmering process. This is the moment where everything comes together. The spices meld, the chicken becomes tender, and the aroma fills the entire kitchen. It's pure bliss. To finish it off, we'll garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. And there you have it. Our homemade ginger chicken curry with 500 chicken legs is ready to be served. Just look at this deliciousness. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thanks for joining us today on this epic cooking adventure. If you enjoyed watching us cook up a storm, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. And hey, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us cook next. Until then, happy cooking. Thank you very much, ginger chicken curry lovers.